Alright, so you've come out to your Huracan and there's no charge to the battery, so we're going to replace the battery. The first thing you're going to want to do is to manually open your door. To do that, you just pop off this cover here, and there's a door lock that you can stick the blade of your car in. Be careful if you try to close this door again, because this won't have gone down enough to clear this jam, so you don't want to slam your door until you're able to open the car. And if you look just straight up in here, you can see a red pull cable. You'll just go ahead and pull that. Now there's a possibility that that doesn't work, and if that doesn't work, you'll have to watch my other video on what to do in that case. So now we're going to very carefully, while holding the door out with the leg, push this down a little bit here and slide that right up under there. Okay, then we're going to come up here to the front, and there's your battery. This one is a size 49. You may have a 48. To get this out, the easiest way to do it is first to take this bevel shroud around the outside out. These are T25s, I believe. Yep. With all the bolts loose, to take this out, you're going to need to lift up on this outside while pulling it. It'll want to contact the paint, so make sure you don't allow it to do that. I'll kind of show you here on this side. We're just going to lift this up and then pull it forward as we're lifting it up. Now on this side it's a little bit more difficult because you do have this shock there. It very easily comes out. Okay, next are we're going to go ahead and take this out. Or T20s out, then you're just going to lift on either side of that, and that will slide out, and then just depress that little button there and that will slide out. Then both of these are going to get pushed back up through the outside of the car there. You're going to take out these three on each side, and then these front three here, and then again you can pull this out. You don't need to take these off on this one, it'll slide around it, but on some of them you may need to. And then this, you can take that T20 out, or you can also just fit it through and it'll be okay. Alright, like that. Okay, and then now you just pull this up and out. That you're here on this one, we have a size 49 battery. It's a 13mm to take this spacer off, and then two 13s to take those off, and then a 10mm on each side to take the terminals loose, and then this will just slide out.